Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens about to do some baking. I thought I would share some tips and facts with you to help you live a better, healthier life. So here we go. When you're baking, most people are using butter. Oh yeah, butter. Love it. Great taste, great flavor. Interesting fact, they don't put the nutrition on the stick because they don't have to. But I'm going to go over all that stuff. So butter's great, great flavor. I've cooked in France with Bocuse and Pepe Le Pew. And they use a lot of butter in France and most restaurants because it tastes good. That doesn't mean it's good for you. So let's expound upon that just a little bit, okay? So if you're buying butter and you know that butter has a lot of benefits and tastes and all this stuff, be careful. Eat butter in limited quantities. You don't want a ton of butter in your diet. And butter in a tablespoon has 100 calories. Some people make the mistake, that'll kill you. They make the mistake of switching to margarine. You won't find margarine in any of my kitchens ever because margarine is not even eaten by rats or mice in laboratories. Nothing eats margarine. It's fake, congealed fat. It's not good for you. Avoid margarine. And the other thing is they label it. It's not real butter or butter tub or butter ball or whatever the hell they want to call it. It's not real butter, it's margarine, it's not good for you. Avoid it at all costs. Okay, moving on to oils. Of course, we've got olive oil. Oh yeah, the good stuff. So olive oil, you say, wow, it's expensive. Well, no, it's really not. This can could be anywhere from $10 to $25. You want to look for extra virgin, you want to look for cold pressing. You want to get yourself a small bottle and you want to refill the bottle. It's quite simple. You get a little pour spout lid. Sometimes the bottles come with these lids. You open the can, you fill it up like this, and you're refilling your own bottles. Wow, you're saving a ton of money over buying the pre-bottled stuff. So if you're using a lot of olive oil in the kitchens, that's what you should be getting right there is a pour spout bottle. Here's another one, just comparatively very expensive, truffle oil. There's essence of truffle. This one's been steeped and or cooked with truffles. The flavor permeates throughout. This is really good. I like it. So this is another one, just comparatively. Notice the bottle's the same shape. All you got to do is get a pour spout now, and you got the same setup there. Okay, moving on. Another oil. A lot of blends in the market, so it's very confusing. You be careful what you buy. So. I bought this for a specific reason. It was the video and because I'm cooking a few different dishes with it. This is a blend. However, read the labels. Mediterranean blend, sunflower oil, extra virgin olive oil. Nice. So this one is 75% sunflower oil, 25% extra virgin olive oil. This was a steal for $1.99, a steal. Comparatively, here is some sunflower oil. I bought it because of the nice color and I like the taste of sunflower oil and it is pretty healthy. This one comes from Russia or the Ukraine, I believe. Yeah. Anyway, this is good oil. I like it. So don't make the mistake of always buying the same oil like Wesson oil or canola oil or all these different brands. They're all trying to make money. Buy what's good for you and experiment. Do different tastes. Okay, comparatively, real quickly here, canola oil has 120 calories per tablespoon. Butter, 100 calories per tablespoon. Margarine, 60 calories per tablespoon, but it will kill you. They're all between 10 and 14 grams of fat. However, butter has the most saturated fat. Yeah, fills up your arteries, you're going to get a heart attack. Okay, so be careful with that. Also, it should be noted that margarine has the most trans fat. So fake butter, margarine, not good for you. So butter is natural. It only has a few ingredients. However, it's an animal product. Olive oil. Olive oil is made from olives, so it's not an animal product. Some people might prefer it just because of that. So use butter sparingly and avoid margarine at all costs, and learn to substitute some of your oils for butters. If your recipe calls for 4 ounces of butter, maybe try using 2 ounces of butter, 2 ounces of olive oil, and when you live longer, you can thank me later. Make sure to smash that little subscribe button down there and like the video, share the video. Lots of more recipes are coming up, and I'll be using some of these ingredients. Oh yeah, get cooking and have a great day. This is good to go. Yeah, and now we repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh. Extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together, or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe, and wow, it's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes. How to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot. Magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really, really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm going to roll this basil up, do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. This one has been cut on more than 10 million times, and it just keeps going. It's very easy to clean. We use this bench scraper, remove any food or particles, and get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.